Now it's time for some fine adjustment on the level. Hopefully the level doesn't fall off and hit me in the head. Yeah, I want this end to go down a bit. More gooder. I'm loving it. And since I got my hammers out, it's time to do some body work here on this little dent. Come on, get bigger. There we go. That sticks out like a teeny weeny bump. And I'm thinking I may be able to, and get this thing off the top so it don't hit me in the head. I may be able to just knock that out just a teeny weeny bit, or make it worse. You know the expression, let sleeping dogs lie. I think I made a little bit of progress. Food, it says food, Food Network. That did something to it. I think that's as good as it's going to get. Still sticking up a bit. I wonder. I guess I can live with that.